years of its existence. We started in 1920, way back, when the World War was the main big human calamity on humanity, war. So one Mr. P.S. Swiss engineer, he had an idea, why don't we all join hands to do something constructive?
Can you hear it? Yeah? Some say yes, some say no. It's quite hard to hear, I think. The catch-up might be seems quite bad, so we thought we use that one. So it was about our countries. And it was great learning, like with this exchange program. And that was the first step of this project. And the few days the project was happening in Bangalore with lots of activities.
I want to know what is our part, so what can we do towards the climate change, and it's really nice meeting you all. Thank you.
Hi, good morning to all. My name is Nicola and I'm from Modern Santa College. And I expect this workshop we will discuss how to change climate change. We will talk what will be better, and we will also share to our friends. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Krishna. I'm from Australia. I have a background in paramedical science, but I'm doing my master in public health and healthcare management. I am working with the Vallalar Institute and also ICWO. My expertise is public health, and so what I want to know is how it's going to impact the area of public health and what can be done to change it.
But come join together and make it a reality. Something that we see that, oh, no, it is very difficult, it is impossible. No, there is not a word like impossible. I am possible. Impossible is not possible. So I think I want all the young generation to get more and more charged and multiply and make it a reality.
Hi, I am Anthony. I am with the SCI for the last 10 years. I worked with Jay in SCI Maharashtra. And now recently, for the last 3 years, I was SCI Vallalar.
I was students in this college. I want the solutions. Now the turnover ratings, workshops, ship costs have mostly become increases. So the trees were destroying and the forest was destroying. So I needed some ideas for to protect our.
இப்ப நம்ம அதை எப்படி மானிட்டர் பண்ணுவது? நான் இங்க இருக்க அற்புதமான ரோட்டரி கிளப்ல வந்துருக்கிற நண்பர்கள் வந்து அவங்க கேக்குறேன், எம்எஸ்டபிள்யூ நண்பர்கள் கேக்குறேன், ஒரு மரம் வெட்டுறீங்க, நீங்க தகவல் பகிர்வு சட்டத்துல கேளுங்க. இப்படி கேட்கலைன்னா அரசாங்கம் இயங்காது. நம்ம சுவாசிப்பதுக்கு மரம் இல்ல. நீ யோசிக்காதீங்க. 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி 15 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம பாட்டில்ல தண்ணி வாங்குவோம் நினைச்சப்ப கற்பனை பண்ணிருப்போமா? நினைக்காதீங்க. இப்ப நடக்குது. நான் சொல்றேன், அடுத்த ஒரு 10 வருஷத்துல நமக்கு ஒரு குடா கொடுத்து ஆக்சிஜன் சுவாசிக்கு பின்னாடி மாட்டிட்டு விடுவோம். நம்ம கனவு எதார்த்தம் ஒண்ணு இல்ல. இங்க இப்படியே நடங்க, இந்த ரோட கிராஸ் பண்ணுங்க, அந்த பக்கம் போங்க, அந்த தையும் ரோட்டில் தாண்டோடனே ஆக்சிஜன் இங்கன்னு ஒரு கம்பெனி இருக்கு, போங்க, இங்கதான் இருக்கு பக்கத்துல. 1 மணி நேரம் ஆக்சிஜன் சுவாசிப்பதற்கு காசு இருக்கு, உங்க மாட்டி விட்டுருவாங்க. இங்கதான் நீங்க நடக்க வேற இதே ரோட், அப்படியே ரோட கிராஸ் பண்ண அது தையும் ஹோட்டல் இருக்கும், தையும் போன தாண்ட ஆக்சிஜன் இங்கன்னு ஒரு கம்பெனி இருக்கும். 1 மணி நேரம் உங்களை மாட்டி விட்டுருவாங்க, கையில நியூஸ் பேப்பர் வச்சுக்கலாம், படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கலாம், ஆக்சிஜன் சுவாசிக்கலாம். எவ்வளவு மோசமான நிலைமை நாம் கற்பனை பண்ண முடியுமா? ஆக்சிஜனை நாம் காசு கொடுத்து வாங்கி சுவாசிப்பது அளவுக்கு தேசத்துல இருக்கிற நம்முடைய நிலைமை என்ன? எனக்கு பரவாயில்லை, எனக்கு அது சென்னை.
Anyways, I've been here for about a month. Something that MCC doing my internship at ICWO, and so I'm just going to talk about how some of the issues regarding climate change and how in America we view those problems. And so first, right here, this is a map. Yeah.
Disaster. Something like that. to relate with the climate change. So can we have 4 disasters? One is ice melting.
Okay.
One is water level rising. Or one is
Himalayas.
No, that's 2 answers, huh? 2 problems. Now you give me 2 more.
Islands.
Desertification.
Then what?
With another NGO, Calvin, Egmore district, and also we visit a school, Egmore district, global school, just to have an idea of how this NGO are fighting the dangerous about climate change with their campaign or their activities.
That's just something, so like the action taken, so what we could observe is that one very good thing they're doing is to create some eco-friendly products. And what
and when people pay for you say what other people because we think possibly can be done. So people use it people use it.
Need not to come and take it. That's what happening in Europe. If you go in one colony, there will be 2 kind of dustbin, big dustbin will be there. They knows everything. One in green with the bottle. People will come in the car with all bottles, old bottles they throw. Another they will throw it in the cardboard. So they have the systems in Europe. Similarly, if we do it in our colony, corporation need not do it because it is heavy work for the corporation. Need not to do. We cannot tell the government always you clean that. Need not to do. Once if we put all the thing in one place, so automatically the company wala will come and take it. The bottle company recycling, they will take the bottle. Paper, they will take it. So for us, it will easier. The organic, I think we can use it for our plantation, all these things. That is our idea to reduce the
Jabaran question, sir. Question, madam.
Video. Please press like button, share with your friends, give your comments, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.